This is Dr. Devashish doing MD in Department of Pediatrics, same Jodhpur. So there are lots of myths regarding the use of vitamins and minerals in COVID-19. Some people think you take a vitamin C or vitamin D, you don't have to think about coronavirus. I guess some of you have already started taking vitamin tablets. So I thought let's make a video to clear all this confusion. So in this video we'll discuss whether we should take vitamins or minerals in COVID-19 or not. What are the common sources of these vitamins? What are the daily requirement of these vitamins? Can these vitamin cause toxicities? What are the common toxicities of these vitamins and minerals? We have three vitamins: vitamin C, vitamin D and vitamin E. Three minerals: zinc, magnesium and selenium, studied so far in COVID-19. All these vitamins and minerals are immunomodulator. They boost our immunity. All these vitamins and minerals except vitamin D are antioxidant in nature. So let's move to vitamin C, the most important vitamin studied so far in COVID-19. What are the common sources of vitamin C? The common sources of vitamin C are green leafy vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, spinach, tomato, citrus fruit like orange, lemon and strawberry. What is the daily requirement of vitamin C in our body? The daily requirement of vitamin C in our body for adult male 90 mg per day. For adult woman it is 75 mg per day. For lactating woman it is 120 mg per day. Is vitamin C recommended in COVID-19? The role of vitamin C in speeding up the recovery of COVID-19 is established. Though universal recommendation for the oral vitamin C supplementation at recommended daily dose is not available, the vitamin C can be recommended because of its lower toxicity profile and water soluble property. What is the recommended dose of vitamin C? The recommended daily dose of vitamin C is 1000 international unit per day. Vitamin C cause toxicity? Yes, like other vitamins, the vitamin C can cause toxicity if it is taken in a larger dose for a longer period. So what are the maximum dose of vitamin C can be taken in a day? The maximum dose of vitamin C can be taken in a day is 2000 mg per day. What are the toxicities of vitamin C? The toxicities of vitamin C are abdominal symptoms like nausea, vomiting, loose stool, pain abdomen and renal stone, especially the patient having pre-existing kidney disease. So let's move to vitamin D. What are the common sources of vitamin D? The common sources of vitamin D are fish liver oil, fatty fish, milk and mushroom. What is the daily requirement of vitamin D in our body? The daily requirement of vitamin D in our body for adult male female 600 international unit per day. For children less than 1 year 400 international unit per day. For elderly more than 70 years 800 international unit per day. Is vitamin D recommended in COVID-19? The role of vitamin D in decreasing rate and severity of COVID-19 infection is established. Though no universal recommendation is still available, the vitamin D can be recommended, especially in high-risk population like children less than 1 year, elderly people, especially elderly women. What is the daily recommended dose of vitamin D? The daily recommended dose of vitamin D is 600 international unit to 1000 international unit. Can vitamin D cause toxicity? Yes, like other fat soluble vitamin D can cause toxicity. What is the maximum dose of vitamin D can be taken in a day? The maximum dose of vitamin D can be taken in a day is 10,000 international unit per day. What are the toxicities of vitamin D? The common toxicities of vitamin D are hypercalcemia, hypertension, headache, blurring of vision and abnormal calcification in lung and kidney tissue. Let's move to vitamin E. What are the common sources of vitamin E? The common sources of vitamin E are vegetables like spinach, broccoli, vegetable oils, nuts, almond oil, and fish. What is the daily requirement of vitamin E in our body? For both male and female adult, the daily requirement of vitamin E is 15 mg per day. For lactating women, it is 19 mg per day. Is vitamin E recommended in COVID-19? The role of vitamin E in speeding up the recovery of COVID-19 infection is established in studies. Though universal recommendation is not available so far, vitamin E can be recommended. Can vitamin E cause toxicity? Yes. Like other fat-soluble vitamins, vitamin E can cause toxicity. What is the maximum dose of vitamin E can be taken in a day? The maximum dose of vitamin E can be taken in a day is 1000 mg per day. What is the toxicities of vitamin E? The toxicities of vitamin E are abdominal symptoms like nausea, vomiting, pain abdomen, and bleeding manifestations including bleeding in brain. What are the common sources of these minerals? Zinc, magnesium, and selenium. The common sources of these minerals are whole grains like brown rice, wheat, seeds of pumpkin and sunflower, nuts, dark chocolate, and fish. Are these minerals recommended in COVID-19? Zinc and selenium causes fastening in the recovery of COVID-19, whereas magnesium causes decrease in the severity of COVID-19 infection. Though no universal studies so far, zinc can be recommended in high-risk population, especially elderly. What is the recommended daily dose of zinc? The recommended daily dose of zinc is 10 to 20 mg per day. What is the maximum dose of zinc can be taken in a day? The maximum dose of zinc can be taken in a day is 40 mg per day. What are the toxicities of these minerals? Zinc may cause abdominal symptoms like pain abdomen, loose stool, and copper deficiency if it is taken in a longer period for a larger dose. Magnesium causes abnormality in rhythm and fall in BP. Selenium causes joint pain and nail discoloration. Daily intake of these vitamins and minerals in optimum quantity is required for perfect functioning of our body. So please take healthy diet, reach of all these vitamins and minerals. If you are thinking your diet is deficient of this vitamins in optimum quantity, please consider oral supplementation of these vitamins and minerals as we have discussed. So that's all about vitamins and minerals today. Please subscribe my channel, do share, comment, and like my video. Bye bye.